Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diana. In case you're new here, welcome and thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Please like, share and comment. I love you so much. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you. Guys, thank you for your support and love. Do you know what? Guys, please, road to 500 subscribers. Asanteni sana guys, naona mnanionyesha love. Thank you so much, I really appreciate. Tungangane guys, tungangane tuendelee nifike 500 subscribers. I'll be so happy and grateful. So guys, today mnaniona venye na glow. My hairstyle, naona aje? So guys, today mkiniona jikoni, mambo ni mautamu. So today nataka tupike some vegetable na ugali na plus mala. Nataka tupike managu, mala and ugali for today. So stay tuned tuanze kupika. Ndio hizi mboga yangu hapa. Here are my vegetables. Managu and spinach. Na mix zote. My mala ndio hii. So let's start. So guys, meanwhile mboga yangu ikiendelea kuboil, let's prepare this. Nianze kuchoma ni boil pia for my breakfast. I'm doing this because in the morning niko na a lot to do. Na nafaa kuprepare kuingia job. So it's better ni prepare this nduma mapema and I want to boil it. So let's do it. My ugali is almost, guys. And guys, I really appreciate hao wenye wana comment kwa video yangu. I really appreciate them because it's not easy and najua ni kwa hiari. Please do, hata kama auta comment, just eka tu hata emoji ya love. I really appreciate. It will mean a lot. But thank you for those who are cooperating with me, who are supporting me. God will really bless you, my people. So guys, my food is ready. Ugali with avocado and managu and mala. Let me taste. Wow. So yummy. Sweet. My amazing people, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and comment to my videos. And usisahau kusubscribe kwa video yangu. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.